Hey guys, this is Adam Parr here with QuietKat. Today we're going over our QKF 750 watt folding electric mountain bike. What's cool about this one, it has a hinge right here in the center of the frame. So this allows you to literally fold this thing in half. The steering column folds down and the pedals actually fold in as well for maximum portability. So this is ideal for the guy who's on the go, can throw it in the trunk of a car, can put it in an RV, and yet it's still got plenty of power, suspension to go on any off-road condition. You'll notice from this one, the 750 watt motor is actually built internally to the frame. So what that does is actually going to provide you with improved ground clearance and more protection for those rugged conditions. This one also features our carbon-laced belt drive. And what that does, it's going to, one, make the bike a little bit quieter, and then two, you're not going to have as much maintenance with keeping the chain clean and lubed all the time. So all the shifting and the gearing is internal to the rear hub. So there's no derailleur, there's no extra hardware down here, potentially stuff when you get in really rugged conditions, stuff that could either break or get caught on different limbs or sticks and everything like that. So this features a front suspension. It's going to have a smooth ride. Again, ideal for the guy that's on the go, maximum portability, and we are very excited about the 2017 QKF 750.